4.5 video will make up for the other two videos that were long. This is going to be a short video. It deals with solving systems using inverse matrices. Not going to do that. We're going to just repeat one more time. How do we solve systems of equations by using our calculator, not by using the inverses, okay? We're not going to worry about that part. So we have a system of 2, a system of 3. We said this is really a good review for your test. We're going to make this a matrix. Remember, this y, if you look in the book, I'm an example 1, I think. Yes, y was just a minus y. I put a 1 in front of it. Negative 3, 4, 5, 2, negative 1, negative 10. This is my matrix. It's a 2 by 3. Again, second matrix all over to edit. It's a 2 by 3, and we're going to introduce them by rows. Negative 3, 4, 5, 2, negative 1, negative 10. And then we said we're going to go second quit, back to second matrix, over to math, all the way down to B, or RF. We hit enter, and now we're going to go second matrix to tell it, please use matrix A, right? We just hit enter on A, and I get x equals negative 7, y equals negative 4. If you look in the book, that's exactly what they got the hard way, right? We're just going to use it this way. Let's go to example 3, which has an equation, 3 equations with 3 unknowns. If you notice, z in each one of them does not have a coefficient. I added 1 in there. My matrix is 2, 3, 1, negative 1, 3, 3, 1, 1, 2, 4, 1, negative 2. This is a 3 by 4. Going back to second matrix, all over to edit. I'm going to hit enter, and I'm going to say it's a 3 by 4. And now I'm going to introduce them by rows. 2, enter, 3, enter, 1, enter, negative 1, enter, 3, enter, 3, enter, 1, enter, 1, enter, 2, 4, enter, 4, enter, 1, enter, negative 2, enter. Second quit. I'm back on my first thing. I'm going to clear this up. I'm going to go second matrix, over to math, all the way to down to B. And I'm going to go second matrix just to remind it I do want to know what that solution is. And I end up with x equals 2, y equals negative 1, z equals negative 2. If you look in the book, that's exactly what they got. They do it the long way, introduce the inverses and everything else. We don't need to. We know how to solve this way. And if you ever run into a matrix problem at the ACT, this is how you need to solve it. So really the only thing left in this lesson to do is that word problem that's going to take us a little bit of time, and then we're good to go, okay? Let me erase this. We're on page 232. They have everything that you need set up for you. So I'm going to let you read through the book. They have the word model set for you so you understand how this works. You have a stock amount, a bond amount, and a money market fund, okay? And that represents all of your invested. So I can go stock plus bond plus the money market. I'm just going to use an M, and I invested $10,000 in it. Should you need to, pause the video, read the problem. My second equation, it tells me each one of them gives you a return. You make money by having bonds or stocks or money markets. The first one gives me 10 cents. I get 0.10s plus my bonds give me 7 cents, 0.07b. And plus my money markets give me 5 cents, 0.05m. And the total that I invested becomes times about 0.08 times 10,000. Or if you do the math already, it's $800, right? It's 0.8. It tells you at the end of the book, it says you get an overall annual return of 8%, okay? So it's 0.8 times that amount, it's $800. My last thing that I know is my stock equals my bonds plus my money market funds. I can rewrite this. I'm going to rewrite it right now on the board. I'm going to bring the b over by minus in it. I'm going to bring the m over by minus in it, and it's going to equal 0. How did I do this? Really quick. S equals b plus m minus b minus m minus b minus m. I'm bringing them on the other side. This becomes s minus b minus m equals, well, this is 0, this is 0, equals 0. That's how we got there. I now have a system of 3 equations with 3 unknowns. Let's go ahead and write our matrix down. Before I do this, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Because I want to make sure I write the numbers down. I get 1, 1, 1, 10,000, 0.10, 0.07, 0.05, 800, 1, negative 1, 0. And all I have to find out now is each one of them, what they are. Let's go ahead and do this. Second matrix. I'm going to edit. This is a 3 by 4. 1, 2, 3 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4 columns. I tell it's a 3 by 4, and I'm going to go and go 1, 1, 1, 10,000, 0.10, 0.07, 0.05, 800, and then 1, negative 1, 0. Okay, I got them all in. All I want to do is solve it. I go second quit, back to second matrix, over to math. You're going to go down until you go to option B, RRF. We hit enter, then we go back to second matrix and you tell it, yes, I want to use the first matrix, matrix A. Then I hit enter. And look what I get. I'm going to get 5,000 of the stock. I'm going to get 2,500 of the bonds and 2,500 of money market fund, which really makes sense because if you remember, your initial equation was the stocks are bonds and the money market funds. Well, 25 plus 25 gives you 5,000. These checks, when you add them all together, you get 10,000. So we really just made it 3 equations to 3 unknowns. All you have to do is pay attention to how you write this as a verbal model. Then you write it as a matrix. Then you just solve it following the steps and you get your answer. We beat the record. This video is 7 minutes. So you are done with chapter 4.